Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you are new here, make sure to hit on that subscribe button and also hit on that notification bell icon so that you won't miss any of our upcoming videos. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Bitget account, whether you are using the mobile app or the desktop website. It's super simple, so without any further ado, let's get started with the video. First, open up your Bitget app on your device. Now enter your email address or mobile number that's linked to your Bitget account and hit on next. After that, a pop-up icon will appear on your screen asking you to solve the puzzle. After you solve the puzzle, you'll be led back to your screen where you'll need to type in your password. Make sure to type your password carefully. If you have forgotten it, don't worry, just tap on forgot password and follow the prompts to reset it. Once you have entered your details, tap on login. A new interference will be open where you will get a verification code. Enter your verification code and that's it. You'll be logged into your Bitget account in no time. Isn't it super simple? If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit on that like, share and subscribe button. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.